Redefining mobility. Introducing the HeCare Carbon, the power chair that's light, smart, and built to move with you. Crafted from cutting-edge carbon fiber, the HeCare Carbon weighs just 15 kilograms without the battery. Lighter than many pushchairs, yet strong enough to carry up to 110 kilograms. Folded in seconds. Wheel it like a suitcase. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or storing it at home, it adapts to your lifestyle effortlessly. Equipped with a removable 24-volt 6-amp lithium battery, the Carbon delivers up to 6.2 miles of range per charge. No need to haul your chair indoors. Just pop out the battery and charge it wherever is convenient. Thanks to its compact folded size and ultra lightweight frame, it fits easily into any car boot. No lifting struggle, no back strain. Precise control anywhere you go. With a 360-degree joystick and responsive steering, the Carbon moves with you through shops, cafes, parks, and beyond. Tackle inclines up to 13 degrees, cruise comfortably at up to 5 miles per hour, and enjoy a smooth ride on solid, puncture-proof wheels, supported by an impressive 8-point rear suspension. From city streets to countryside escapes, the HeCare Carbon is your freedom. The HeCare Carbon, designed for those who move differently.